Hi students, welcome back to our basic science class. We are discussing the chapter Wonders of Visible Light. And now you are familiar with the image formed on a plane mirror. A plane mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is flat. What about this mirror? Is this also a plane mirror? This is a mirror as it has a smooth reflecting surface. But it is not a plane mirror as its reflecting surface is not flat. The reflecting surface is curved, so it is a curved mirror. What about this one? This is also a curved mirror. The difference between the two is that the reflecting surface of this mirror is curved inwards, whereas the reflecting surface of this mirror is curved outwards. Can you think of the examples where we see curved mirrors? Yes, a shiny surface of a spoon is a good approximation of curved mirror. Spoon has two reflecting surfaces. One curved inside and the other curved outside. Now the specific type of curved mirrors are called spherical mirrors. In fact, these two mirrors are spherical. Well, they look nothing like a sphere. Then why they called so? They are called spherical mirrors because their reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. You can clearly see that the reflecting surface of these mirrors are a part of a big sphere. Both of these have a special names. The mirror that have a reflecting surface curved inwards is called a concave mirror. And the mirror that have a reflecting surface curved outwards is called a convex mirror. Yes, inwards concave and outwards convex. Let's see the formation of image on a concave mirror. Hold a concave mirror in front of a distant object and direct the reflected light towards a wall or a white screen. Move the mirror forward or backward till the image becomes clear. You can see an inverted diminished image, and the image is obtained on the screen. What will happen if we do the same experiment using a convex mirror? Let's see. If we do the same experiment using a convex mirror or a plane mirror, it is impossible to making the image fall on the screen. And the image will be formed inside the mirror. The image which can be caught on a screen is called real image. And the image which is formed inside the mirror but cannot be caught on a screen is called virtual image. A real image can be formed using a concave mirror. Virtual image can be formed using a convex mirror or a plane mirror. Look at this experiment. Here you can see that the formation of real image and virtual image. Let's summarize what we learned today. Today we have studied about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are mirrors whose reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. And there are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirrors are mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, and convex mirrors are mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. Then we have studied the formation of image on a concave mirror. In a concave mirror, real image is formed, that the image can be caught on a screen. And in a plane mirror or a convex mirror, virtual image is formed. That the image is formed inside the mirror. Study well. See you again. Thank you.